Alright, we're here in my workshop and it's noisy, it's creaking, the wind's blowing, there's birds, there's people doing construction, but I picked up this Saba electric knife sharpener when I was going through Coles for $14.99. It's one of their online catalogue specials, and it says it can sharpen scissors, knives and screwdrivers, and we're going to try that out. I've got some $2.50 butter knives that we'll try sharpening. I've also got this Wiltshire sharpener that I've been using for years to compare to, and I've got a screwdriver that is a standard flat screwdriver profile, and some old scissors that probably struggle to cut paper. Now they've got a bit of sharpness, but I've had them for years and never sharpened them. So let's see what it does. First of all, use the scissors to unbox it. You need something sharp to open something that makes other things sharp. Ain't that great? It's pretty compact. It's about the size of a can, and it's pretty stable too. It's got little rubber feet that you can see there, and it feels semi-stable. Feels rigid. Oh, I'm going to need a PowerPoint. This is a tough one. Unplug the laptop. We will read the instructions because knife sharpening is one of those kind of esoteric arts where you have to do it the exact way of the people that designed the grindstone said to do it. So, product disposal cord, plug, knife sharpening, scissors handling, yep. Insert the blade in the slot by placing it, draw the blade through the sharpener in order to sharpen it, always draw it back away from your body once it's sharpened, release the push button. What push button? Oh, the button you push to make it go. Alright. Well, that's really straightforward. So, we have the knife sharpening bit here, screwdriver sharpening bit there, and scissor sharpening bit there, which is really weird, but alright. First up, let's see if we can sharpen, really put it to its paces, see if we can sharpen a butter knife. As you can see here, not very sharp. It is a stock standard butter knife. Okay, cool. You can turn this around. I thought I was being special then. What's that one for? It doesn't actually say. So that is for sure knife. Maybe bread. Yeah, that must be a bread knife. Yeah, for the serrations. Alright. And then scissors, which are coming in on that angle. And back to knives. Now we've got two different knife profiles, which is your left and your right side. Let's see how this goes. It might take a little while. It's going to be loud too. I'll only take it up on this side where it's already got some angle on it. Alright. It does not have much torque. You've got to push really lightly on this thing because you can stop it with a hair. Watch this. Alright, let's try it nice and slow. Am I doing something wrong? Is it? That is useless. Alright, we'll try this screwdriver thing. I don't even understand the point of that, but it's also not doing much. It is, you know, it's smoothed it off to a bit of a finer tip, but it's probably going to be putting it on a bit of an angle, which it's giving it an angle which I find weird, and it barely fits in that hole. It's already starting to max out. So that's dumb. Let's try this scissors thing. However, this way, I guess. Oh yeah, I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but it did actually take a bit off there. Just gotta go light. That cannot be the right way. That's making that duller. This is dumb. This is really dumb. I'm going to take it back. Don't waste your 15 bucks on it. Saba, you make some crap. I'm guessing all the stuff in the Coles catalogue is probably crap. But that is a weak motor, especially when you've got 2400 watts potential there. So, Do not buy. I'm going to have to get another knife sharpener. But let's quickly see if we can sharpen a butter knife in this Wiltshire knife sharpener. It's going to take a bit, I reckon, but maybe. Alright, that's going to take forever. You'd want to use your angle grinder. This is meant for a blade, not for a dull, like, you know, for an actual fine blade, not for this profile. Well, I hope you learned something from it. I hope you saved some money. This is going back to the shop, and I'll just let them know it's fucking shit. Till next time, take it easy.